Hey viewers, yes, welcome to our channel Future Charan. From here, I'm gonna start a new playlist on software engineering. This subject is generally deals with a theory, not a but practical. Okay, you'll get all the theory things, and so I have decided to take this playlist to be first in my channel. So let's do it. Yes, software engineering. I'll be explaining all the things in this software engineering and why we have to learn this subject, what's the use of this subject, and I'll be telling you how this subject will be helping you in your career. So let's get to your playlist. Okay, the first question, when you're trying to get any subject, why we have to learn this? Why we have to study this? Yes, I've given a key points about this subject. Uh, this subject mainly concentrated on software field. Okay, if you got some project from a client, right? Once your project has been assigned to your company, there are many processes to deal with. This is a subject which explains you what are the processes are available in the market, or the what are the resources were been available, and a systematic process towards handling the project, what situation, what thing to be used, and there will be many things to be learned in the topic. Just you have to have a patience to listen here, that's it. I demand only one thing, just a patience and concentration towards this playlist. That's the thing I have been demanding from your side. Okay, the first subject, first thing in first keyword in this or why we have to learn it. I said before, it will be helpful to make projects. No coding, yes, no coding is being taught here, because it's a subject which teaches you how to handle the project, not how to type codes or anything else. And I've said before, it's a project handling in software engineering, and gives the right idea to handle the projects too. Yeah, it gives the right idea, because different projects require different models. So we will be teaching what type of projects are being dealing with which type of products. So all the things will be explained in this playlist, so please hang on. Okay, first, before moving to the subject, and let us take a uh, quick definition of the subjects. Okay, right? You have to learn the definition of the subject too. Okay, let's split this subject into two parts, like software and engineering. We all know what is a software here, because if you're watching this playlist, you have experience in coding at least once, right? So you will be getting this point very easily. A software is combination of codes and documentation. Okay, codes and like programming codes, and combination of the documentation what you prepare in the paperwork. And we all know what is engineering. It is a scientific process. uh, it is in something building new by using scientific process, right? And combining both these two makes a definite meaning called it is a organized system to develop a software. Okay, this subject will help you to go through the how to project handling. That's the thing I'm gonna mention here, because I don't want it to bore you much. Okay, let's get into another slide. Okay, many people thinks that computer science and software engineering are both same. Not here, not here, not here, really not here. Okay, software engineering is different from computer science. Okay, right? In computer science, more like you will be learning coding and basics. Even though you will be learning fundamentals and advanced too, if you get through the deep in this subject. So I believe that computer science is mainly deals with the coding and theory perspective. And when you come here, in this software engineering subject, you'll be learning how to implement that coding into the practical world. Okay, there you will be learning only coding, how to write code, how to execute it, and testing. That's it. There you will be finding only this thing. When you come to this software engineering, your project, your coding will be converted into a money mission. Yeah, I am right. You're running the right thing. Money mission. Yeah. And this is the difference between the computer science and software engineering. In the computer science you will be learning the coding, whereas in software engineering helps you to convert this coding into a meaningful project. Okay. And this is an interactive video, so I hope you have learned this hope you have learned good things in this video. I believe the same. Okay, let's take a quick recap. We have learned introduction to software engineering, and why we have to learn this subject, and need of this subject, or definition of software engineering. It is a organized way to handle the project, and difference between the software engineering and computer science. Hope you have loved this subject, and you'll be loving this subject. Hang on here, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.